Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Ray from Phandroid, and if you've been following along, I've been sharing quite a few OnePlus Nord camera comparisons against flagship tier devices and also the new mid-range Pixel 4a. Now, so far, the OnePlus Nord has done really well, considering that it's only a mid-range €400 smartphone. But a lot of you have been asking to see how the OnePlus Nord does when using the GCam app, which has an amazing computational photography algorithm with Google's HDR+ feature. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. Keep an eye on the bottom of the screen to see which camera modes are being used, and also stick around to the very end. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the final results as well. Take a look. As you can see, the images captured on the OnePlus Nord using the GCam camera app turn out just slightly better than what they do with the stock app. The stock app does manage to deliver images that are just slightly brighter, and honestly, a lot of people love those brighter images. But if you take a closer look, a lot of the highlights are completely blown out, and you miss a lot of the detail, those subtle details in the image as well, which honestly are preserved pretty well with the GCam app. Now, in low light situations, that's where the GCam app truly shines, especially with the night sight camera mode. Now, the OnePlus Nord does have a built-in Nightscape mode, which mimics what the night sight mode does on the GCam app, but it really doesn't compare in the final results. The only real advantage that the Nord has with its stock app is in really low light conditions when not using the dedicated night mode. For some reason, the images captured with the GCam app are so dark they're practically unusable. When it comes to capturing selfies with both of these camera apps, it's a little bit of a mixed bag. The stock camera app seems to do a little bit better in well-lit scenarios, while the GCam app has a definite advantage when using portrait mode to blur out the background or if you're taking selfies in low light situations. So that's going to do it for the quick comparison between the stock camera app on the OnePlus Nord and using the GCam app on here as well. Let me know what you think of the results in the comments and which app you would rather use for taking pictures on the OnePlus Nord. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do. We have a lot more camera comparisons coming up with the all-new Pixel 4a and a full review of that device as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.